1. Abandon. Nearest meaning words: forsake, desert, leave, quit, relinquish. 2. Abate. Nearest meaning words: decrease, diminish, reduce, lessen, subside. 3. Abhor. Nearest meaning words: detest, loathe, hate, despise, abominate. 4. Ability. Nearest meaning words: skill, talent, competence, aptitude, proficiency. 5. Abound. Nearest meaning words: overflow, flourish, teem, thrive, proliferate. 6. Abrupt. Nearest meaning words: sudden, unexpected, hasty, impulsive, blunt. 7. Abscond. Nearest meaning words: flee, escape, bolt, decamp, run away. 8. Absolve. Nearest meaning words: pardon, forgive, exonerate, acquit, vindicate. 9. Absorb. Nearest meaning words: soak, imbibe, assimilate, engross, consume. 10. Abstain. Nearest meaning words: refrain, withhold, avoid, desist, forego.